morning, everyone. So I have very exciting news to share. I'm actually attending the COP27 in Sharm El-Sheikh, Egypt. I'm literally losing my mind. I can't believe it. And I am really excited that, honestly, I was just thinking like how truly your dreams, they do come real. Like about a year ago, I wanted to be involved in something related to the United Nations. I just wanted to volunteer or something, and now I'm on the guest list and the attendee list for COP27. I can't even express how happy do I feel, but you're about to come with me right now and see how it is and how it goes. We're gonna see presidents speak, ministers, and also very big UN people. They're gonna be going up and having a speech. So stay tuned. Everyone, so Sondos here live from COP27 Innovation Center in Egypt, and I'm so excited to be a part of this, and I'm gonna share with you everything that is gonna happen, so stay tuned. To grab some coffee. Lunch is leaving me.
That's just the way with regard to like technology focus.
All right, how does technology help? So many places to start with this. Honestly, before technology helps, it's really important to understand what you're doing. So
It's something that people need to build in and write.
Attending COP27 was the gate for me to become a social entrepreneur in all the businesses and brands I'm launching. I learned how truly our planet Earth is suffering in every way possible. Air pollution alone caused just last year about 6.5 deaths globally. So basically, I usually hate it when the room service come and inside my room, I like it messy, okay? So the thing is, I always request that no one comes and cleans my room. But they did, but it's okay because honestly, I saw this really cute thing. They basically made the towels look like that. And then they put my glasses on top of this towel. So to be honest, I couldn't even get angry because that was really cute. And right now I'm getting ready to go for the second day of COP27. So let's go. Even though it was November, but the weather was the perfect temperature for a nice swim. The water was cold while the sunshine hits just about right. The service was great, but during COP, nearly all hotels were sold out and the prices were the highest I'd ever seen from Egypt. Hi everyone, so this is here again, and today we are in the green zone and we're gonna take you on a tour to see everything that are about to happen over there, so stay with us. This is the walking path from the green zone, and we come inside and we find those artifacts, and honestly, god damn, like oh my god.
I should have mentioned this at the beginning. Canada pledged 5.3 billion Canadian dollars.
It doesn't, the money and the funding and the support does not go down to the ground.
At COP27, there were two zones, the blue and green zone, along with the Innovation Center. Egypt hosted 200 countries that came to represent themselves in COP, from presidents, politicians, entrepreneurs, and activists who came to show how they're contributing to making a difference and taking climate action change to help save our planet. The next day was a Sunday, and we got up and got ready for our surprise that there was no activities related to COP today. So we decided to visit the old market in Sharm El-Sheikh, where we took cute photos by the Sahaba Mosque. Then I took my friends to eat and try our local food, koushari. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, so unfortunately I added so much spices. I didn't realize how spicy it would be, so I ended up getting this. And yes, I'm hoping I can actually finish it. I'll update you. Okay guys, so I always wondered what is tamr hindi, and this is it. It's actually quite hard. It's quite hard. You have to actually kind of squish it, like you have to, I don't know what is this called anyway. So the thing is, and then you can boil it and drink it, and I find this amazing. If you're coming to Egypt, you must try tamr hindi, sobia, and sugarcane juice, as they are our local delicious drinks. The next day, all hotels were sold out in Sharm El-Sheikh and we had to go stay in Dahab, which honestly was a beautiful hotel experience that made me not want to leave. Having the mountains behind me and the sea in front of me is a different setting than the hotels I'm used to. It was truly a unique experience.
Your collection, Marie Louise.
Yeah,
all right.
and that design has been shown in the Paris Fashion Week in
All right,
2011.
okay.
Yeah. But actually, I must show you most
But you are
of
Marie
the...
Louise
I am
yourself.
Marie Louise.
To observe and make some research on the waters so we can see this.
Okay.
Come this way.
You know, I quite like it here. It's so cold outside. So what happens exactly? So we're in hell right now, right? Okay, so we went inside hell. Actually, there was nothing there, just warm, and I'm really glad about it because it's quite really cold outside. So yes, what's happening there? Okay, so we went out and they just stamped our answers that we are welcome to hell. Honestly, it was quite warm there, so I don't mind it. Now we are done with the green zone and actually we're gonna head to our final hotel in Sharm El-Sheikh right now. So, yeah. Okay, so right now we are in the Future Generations Hall and in the green zone. So there is some art that actually I find quite incredible and I have to share with you. I am truly proud of my country and how many local sustainable brands fought to come to COP to deliver an idea and a message to the world. I hope these brands get the recognition they need and that our government and the United Nations staff give them the support to help our world. I also want to thank Silver 7 for sponsoring my trip to COP27. Without them, I wouldn't have had this life-changing experience.
Most of us who are not from Africa being able to start to collaborate with those who are experiencing these issues.
The entire climate action team for their wonderful collaboration both in the lead up to and throughout this entire event.
Okay, so today is our last day in Sharm El-Sheikh and it's the last day of also COP. But instead of going to the COP, we decided to come visit the COP Green Initiative. We decided to visit the Saudi Green Initiative, but unfortunately it's closed because today is the last day, so they closed at 12. So I guess we're gonna have a quick look inside it if they allow us. If they don't, we're just gonna head to the COP and see maybe what's happening there on the last day. And after that, we're gonna head to Cairo and say goodbye to Egypt. Okay, so there was nothing inside. We just went inside. They said the domes are all empty. So right now we're gonna head to the green zone for COP. Hopefully we'll find something interesting on the last day. Stay with us. All right, so we came here in the green zone and then I got my water again. Yeah, let's see if this is open. Okay, we're right now on the way to check this, if it's open or not. God, it's so sunny today. Yeah, it's probably open. Okay, so there was nothing inside. They said it opens at 4 p.m. and we're not gonna be here at 4 p.m. So, yeah. Okay, so we just out of nowhere, we stopped the car so we can take a photo shoot for Lexer's hoodies. So, yeah, stay tuned also for that. Bye, Devanj.
From across the room, damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.